Debate now on red is whether or not funding will come from carbon market. Nothing's been decided yet, and there are different options in the paper. So meaning these are the questions that need to be decided. So for example, also on the land, there's an entire section on land use, which is about agriculture. This is also being pushed to, and basically what that means when this is concluded is that it will legitimize and give incentives for countries to make plantations and bioenergy production.
Vamos a saludar entonces nuestros 4 puntos cardinales sobre el nacimiento de las tecnologías. Entonces vamos a
Yeah, and within the U.S., we spoke about it earlier, how there's discontinuity between social justice groups and activist groups, and why exactly do you think that is, if we're all fighting for a central theme of transformative change?
I mean, I think that has everything to do with like the right and the U.S. government, right? It's a divide and conquer strategy. A lot of what's being put out is that these are separate issues, right? So the folks that are fighting mountaintop removal in Appalachia and the folks that are, fighting auto emissions in Los Angeles, we're not really don't have a lot of consciousness in the fact that they're really one and the same fight because they're affecting the same communities, right?
Instead of saying that we can't, because we can. No matter how small you are, we can do these certifications when we're smart.
It's awesome, right? Wonderful. Really awesome. Wonderful struggle.
Yeah, I represent Rural Coalition, and I'm down here, and it's great. So what I want to ask is some of the solutions. What are some of the solutions you think we're going to get through this forum, to this social?
The problem of the solutions is very complex because I think the change in the way of life is the first step.
Yes.
Change the way of life with the cars, with the cities, with addictive food, with the agrochemical food. We need to develop the agriculture in the cities, like in Detroit.
Urban.
But we need a new kind of medicine, gestionated by their own people, in the towns, in the communities, not by the transnational pharmaceuticals. We need a revolution.
Like how much do people need? We have only a few needs. We need water, we need food, we need clean air. Those are the things we need. We don't need material things. Those are wants. And I'm pissed off now. I really am, because it's a real injustice, and I'm going to do something about it when I get back home, for sure. Yeah.
Thank you.